sorkar jela kala hukum banpha pynshisha ya ki kot kisla jong ki samla pule doktor ha ka baide bat kitu ki ban sa pule nakabha jong ka sorkar jela kane ka hukum kalami haden ba KSU kala kenno bahdu khatwei ne ki khat south li ki bah puli doktor nakabha jong ka sorkar jela la aisha ki samla pule badai na shabar meghalaya hakathup open category Halo jongkane habai kren bar kelat pathai kubor commentary jongka koi ke khia ka kong amprin lengdo kala ong baya ke ne ka phang ladep bania kren bar umentry rangba ha ka tei ke janmet na kaliang jongka KSU kala dawa bana kaliang jongka sorkar jela kadai banthat madan paitba yaki kerteng ba pura nadu ki aadhar card bat ki ipik jongki tegi samla pule haden be kelayo yaki jing ujor baki dei na kajala asam bat kelayo ru yaki kot kisla na ampati southwest garo hills
also discussed with your chief minister and we sat there we just sat this evening to find out whether or not we should put on hold this seat allocation, because if an allegation of this nature comes, then that means we will have to relook at all the applications. Officers have just been instructed to verify all documents of all applicants for the quota of government quota of medical seats, and we will definitely not allow, and if found then we will also disqualify them, because I'm told that they had gone, same candidates had also gone to the state of Manipur to apply for these seats, and the state of Manipur have actually disqualified them. Same candidate. I'm told so. So let us again look at the documents of all applicants, and we are looking at this list afresh now, and we will definitely not allow anybody who's not a bona fide permanent resident of the state of Meghalaya to access these very valuable seats. Decision has just been taken at the level of the Honorable Chief Minister, myself and officers.